How to get blue badge on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get verified on your TikTok. Let's dive right in. Open up your TikTok app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then go to the three lines in the top right. Go to settings and privacy, and then some people have the option to get verified in the accounts option itself, but it depends on your region. If you don't have the option to get the blue badge here, then you can come back and scroll down and go to help center. There you can tap on chat with us, and then you can send a message. I want to get verified, and then you can hit send, and then the support will reply to you within few seconds. You can see if the feature is not available in your region, then you can submit a request through the app or use our online form. So tap on the link and it will open up in your Google Chrome or any other browser, and you can see option to submit a verification request. You can put in the email address associated with your TikTok username, and then what can TikTok help you with. So you can put in why you want to get verified, how will it help you, and all the details related to why you want to get a blue badge. And you can also put in screenshot for more details. And then you need to agree to the terms and conditions and then submit it. And then TikTok will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.